Guys, welcome to lesson 4 of module 3. Now in this lesson I'm just going to cover how to get your ad placements inside your site once you are approved for AdSense. Okay, now if you have done everything correctly so far, which was inserting that file, installing that secret file, and then also actually setting up your post the correct way as I showed, then this is just going to be as simple as copying the code and pasting it into the right areas on your site. So first thing is we want to go on AdSense and we want to grab our codes. Now give me 2 minutes. First, okay, you come on AdSense and you go on My Ads. Okay, now do a new ad unit. So the first ad unit you want to do is a 728 by 90. Now if you remember, we actually already created this and inserted it into the header ad, so we would get that from here. Actually we had already got it, so we're just going to get the code and we'll copy it. Now if you remember, in the last tutorial I told you to put the ad within the header ad. That was to get your account approved. Now that your account is approved, hopefully you can remove this from here and you will now get that code and place it into SmartList 6. Now why do we put in SmartList 6? Because if you remember that secret file that we installed, that was for SmartList 6, and that is when we create our posts we use the SmartList 6 settings. So you just get the ad code and you paste it in here and you save settings, but I already have it so I don't need to save. Okay, and you just save settings and that's it. And the second one, let me go on the site and let me show you where the ad placements are and what they actually look like. Now okay, you can see that this is the header ad, which I will probably remove because now I have 4 ad placements and AdSense only allows 3. So I actually don't know why this is here, but that will be gone in a minute. Now this is a sidebar ad. I am going to show you how to install this now. This is a SmartList 6 ads. This is the sidebar ad. Now how do you install the sidebar ad? This one's a bit confusing, but it's still very simple. So you're on your WordPress, you don't insert any of these. You'd imagine you place it in sidebar ad. I mean, you place the code there, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, I'll show you how to make it visible. New ad unit, 300 by 250 sidebar. Okay, not sidebar, sidebar. Okay, now locate 3250. There you go, medium rectangle, perfect. Save and get code, copy, and we go. Now we'll place it in here, of course, boom. But mine's already in there, so I'm gonna leave it and we save settings. Okay, now let me just go here and actually save the settings. Now we'll go to appearance, widgets, and if you see over here, this is what you see on the side of your site. Okay, so you see here search bar, right? Search bar, categories, ad box. This won't be here when you do it, so I'm just going to delete it and I'm going to show you how you do it. So you'll come onto the side on the left side over here. Now you're going to find the tag div ad box, which you see right here. Drag this into the center there. You can customize this. You can place whatever you want on this side. You can add on your pages, search bar, text, anything. You can add whatever you want, but I'm gonna, for now, I like to keep it simple. Search bar, categories, and the ad box. Select an ad spot, and over here you select the sidebar ad. Why do we select the sidebar ad? Because we just placed the sidebar code in the sidebar ad. Alright, so you just select that, and as it says here, optional, a title for the ad, like advertisement. I'm just gonna do that, advertisement, and save, and save. There you go, boom, done. Now I refresh it and the sidebar ad does appear over here, which it was already for me, but you can set it up yourself. And that's it. That's all you need to do. That's how you get your ad placements within your site, and it looks perfect. If you do have any questions, do pop them in the group. I know I move a bit fast, but I like to keep things speedy because success and money like speed. So let's get this out the way and get into the the main part of this whole method, which is actually the whole advertising, optimizing, and scaling. Alright, I'll see you in the next lesson. You take care of yourself.